Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we will walk through how to remove PayPal from Shopify. So, let's dive right in. To begin, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Then from the left sidebar, click Online Store. Next, select the Themes option. In Theme, click on the three dots button next to the installed theme. Then choose Edit Code. Now here, click on the filter bar in the top left corner. Here type cart and from the filter results, choose this file. Now press Ctrl plus F from your keyboard, then in the Find field type Additional. Now here you will find a DV section on additional payments in theme code. Select this div section and press Delete from your keyboard. Then click on the Save button in the top left corner, and there you have it. With this method, you can remove PayPal from your Shopify store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.